Hello, big boy. It's Baba. Look what we have today. It is amazing. We have a story about trucks. Oh, look at the giant wheels. Look at the giant exhaust. It's just a giant truck. Yeah, boy. Trucks. We're going to go on a little journey all about trucks. The different trucks. This one's called a crane. It's got a big arm and a big wire with a hook at the end. And the hooks lift heavy, big cargo. This is a dumper truck. Look, the crane is here in the background and the dumper truck is lifting and dumps and drops piles of dirt onto the ground. Monster trucks. Look at these big giant cars, and they bounce over rows of little cars. Steamrollers. They squish and they push the dirt down for roads when they're built. Oh, tow trucks. They're like cranes and they got big cranes on the back and they haul broken cars or cars that are broken. And they pick them up and they move them away. And then we got fire trucks and they got cranes and ladders. They got a ladder at the back and they save the day. The end. They're all our favourite trucks. We have fire trucks. We have tow trucks. We have steam rollers. They squish the dirt and make it all flat. So we got steam rollers. And we got monster trucks that are big, giant wheels. And we got dumper trucks. So dumper trucks are cool because they can carry loads of stuff everywhere and they're big and strong. And we have cranes that can lift stuff and they lift big, heavy cargo. That's the story of trucks. Night night, big boy. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite, because Baba loves you. Night night, big boy. Mwah.